We are at THOTADA Mane for lunch. THOTADA Mane means a house in a farm. Very crowded. We've come on a Friday. It serves very simple home style food. Look at thagis. We took some curd rice, coconut obattu. Very tasty. The ladies of the surrounding villages are all here working in the kitchen. The food is good, home style, nothing fancy, but good. This is our bill. Very budget friendly.
Peter?